small enough that we cannot electric. I'm now in our driver manufacturing workshop and changing into the anti-static uniform. So let me give you this type of equipment. The first one is the solder paste printer, followed by the high-speed placement machine, and this one is the multifunction placement machine. The biggest one, which is the reflow oven, and the AOI optical inspection system there. So this is the SMT placement and the inspection process. This is the functional testing area for our electronic circuit boards. Our board we produce must go through testing. This is the conformal coating area. You can see our circuit board goes through protection against water, moisture, and nozzle. For circuit boards that require special protection, we use a potting process. You can see all electronic components are fully encapsulated in the potting material, which provide better thermal conductivity, insulation, and a higher level of protection. This is the final assembly line. Once we assemble the circuit boards and the structure components together, the unit is ready for testing. Now we are entering the aging room. After assembly, our unit undergoes a powered aging test at 50 degrees for over 4 hours. We have a complete, reliable, and safe manufacturing capability for motor drives. If you have any specific requirements related to the smart drives, feel free to contact us anytime.